How to put password in iPhone hidden photos. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. First of all, make sure that you are using iOS 16 or above because this feature does not work in the older versions. Now, launch the settings application on your device. Firstly, make sure you have set a passcode on your device. If you do not have the passcode, then tap on Face ID and passcode and go ahead and set the passcode for the password feature in hidden photos to work further. Now, go back and tap on Photos. You will see the option for Use Face ID, or if you do not have Face ID on your device, then you will be asked to enter your passcode. So toggle on the button for Use Face ID. After enabling this feature, Face ID or passcode will be required to view the hidden and recently deleted albums. Now go to your home screen and open Photos, and here if you go ahead and tap on Hidden Photos, you will be asked to enter your Face ID. So go ahead and enter your Face ID, or if for some reason you are not being able to enter the Face ID, then you can enter incorrect Face ID twice and then you will get the option to enter your iPhone's passcode. So go ahead and enter the passcode, and with this you have successfully put password in iPhone hidden photos. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.